Hi friends, let me take you back in the year 2019. To be precise, September 2019, when I was riding with the Royal Enfield Tour of Uttarakhand. And what exactly happened on the day one of the ride was something that was about to change my perspective towards safety gears. What happened on day one? Well, you'll soon find out. On day one of the Uttarakhand ride, I met with a freak accident. I bumped into a stone on the road, which I couldn't see it because obviously it was covered with sand and it was a stationary stone. And I banged into it so hard that my entire feet, my right feet, was completely blue, purple, red, black. You name the color and it was it. While I parked my motorcycle aside and looked into my feet, it was swollen a little bit, but it had turned black completely. I could ride from there on, and thanks to the footwear that I was wearing the industrial safety shoe at that point of time, which had a steel toe and all the safety features that were to offer. It's been 2 years now that I have been wearing those shoes for all the rides, but I felt it was time that I upgraded myself. Since those shoes were not adapt to the riding requirements of a rider, I thought that I would invest myself into a pair of shoes which was specifically made for riding community and for riding. Now that you've seen the B-roll as well as some snaps of this particular shoe, you may ask me why did I choose Orezo over the other shoes. Couple of reasons. One, I loved the color. Cocoa and black, classic, and goes well with my bike. Second, Orezo is a known name in riding community. While I did have the industrial safety shoe and it served me well, it did have laces to tie on, and that became a little bit of a botheration whenever you were on rides. Orezo shoes has the Velcro, it helps a lot while you are riding to get in and off the shoes. Secondly, it is specifically designed towards the riding community and the rides and the challenges that we face. It of course has all the safety features in it. Third, the budget. It's a budget shoe. I didn't want to spend too much. And last but not the least, quite a lot of my rider friends do have this. Of course, different colors, different combinations, but they have all vouched for the quality of this particular product. So I feel Orezo did the tick marks for almost all the things that I was looking out for a riding shoe. So in conclusion, whatever budget that you are looking at, whatever design you are looking at, the brand that you are looking at, do invest yourself some time and money into buying the right kind of an riding shoe for your own safety. We've always emphasized on the best of helmets, riding jackets, riding pants, as well as gloves. But it's high time that we emphasize and give some importance to the riding shoe as well. I've seen many riders actually wearing shoes which look sturdy and strong, but they are more for trekking, they are more for casual riding, casual wear. So whether it's a breakfast ride, a weekend ride, or a long ride that you want to take up, please do wear the right kind of a safety shoe, the riding shoe on you, because you never know when you would hit up onto that particular stone which I couldn't see it on the road. So for all those who are watching this particular video till the end, I am leaving a discount code coupon in the description box for all of you. This discount code has not been offered to me. It's there in the public domain by the company. You can check out. They are offering, Orazo is offering close to around 30%, up to 30% discount on their riding boots. So do look out and check out for that. Do give it a try and do let me know. In case if you have liked the content of this particular video and you feel it's been useful information for you, do consider subscribing as well as commenting in the comments box. Do share it with the fellow riders as well as all those who ride two-wheelers. Towards a safer tomorrow. See you soon on the road. Goodbye for now.